Hi everyone. So a lot of students say, "Hey, I'm not getting Quant Interview calls, or I'm applying to like 500 plus application, but I've not heard from a single recruiter. So what's the issue?" I'll tell you. The issue is within your resume. So these are two or three things which you should make sure that you comply with in your resume. First thing is have a summary section. In that summary, make sure you add what areas you have expertise in. Let's say if you're expert in derivatives, risk management, fixed income, credit risk, market risk, portfolio management, portfolio optimization, data science, machine learning, whatever it is, make sure to add those in your summary section. Second thing is make sure to have lot of quant projects. See, I'll tell you, on an average, any quant recruiter will look at your resume for 10 to 15 seconds, and based on that, they will decide whether to give you an interview call or not. For every job, they'll receive 1,000 plus application. Just think, right? How much time will the HR spend just to look at the resumes? Hardly few seconds, right? So in those few seconds you need to make sure that the recruiter has a good impression of you or of your resume. So what to do? Basically add 4 to 5 quant finance related projects. It can be either derivative pricing using black shoes binomial, or the other project can be the market risk project, which is specifically building a value at risk model using variance covariance historical Monte Carlo simulation. Or you can add other fixed income projects, which is pricing a bond, or let's say any machine learning project, which is to predict the stock price using bunch of machine learning algorithms. Point is, make sure you have variety of projects. And one mistake that I see is, don't just have one sort of projects in your resume. I'll give you an example. So I was reading this resume, and this guy basically wrote, "Oh, I did machine learning for this. I use machine learning for you. This I use neural network for this." I mean, who cares? I mean, you have everything. Machine. See, if someone has written one machine learning and neural net projects, I understand this guy has a background. He will be able to perform the task. So a better approach is to add multiple different projects, not the same project. Third thing which I'll say is, and this is the most important thing, make sure to remove all the irrelevant stuff. If you have done a digital marketing intern, if you have an electronics project, if you have a mechanical project, remove all of those in from your resume. Make sure whatever your resume is, make sure it's highly curated with quant related stuff. Also add lot of quant related keywords based on derivatives, based on risk management. If you are looking for keywords, just write keywords and I'll send you those keywords. All the best.